Apple's recent launch of the M4 chip within the iPad Pro represents a strategic pivot in its hardware deployment, highlighting the company's focus on embedding high-caliber AI capabilities directly into its premium devices. This initiative not only showcases Apple's intent to lead in the AI domain but also aligns with its efforts to provide developers with advanced tools. Ahead of its pivotal software developer conference, the M4 chip is engineered to offer exceptional power efficiency and a sophisticated neural engine that significantly expands its AI processing capabilities. This enhancement is crucial for developers who are eager to exploit cutting-edge AI features in their applications, potentially transforming the user experience across multiple domains. Apple's decision to incorporate the M4 chip into the iPad Pro rather than the Mac lineup is indicative of its strategic redirection towards more versatile mobile platforms, which are becoming increasingly central in both professional and personal contexts. The iPad Pro, equipped with this new chip, is set to redefine productivity and creativity, offering capabilities that were once the domain of high-end desktop machines. Moreover, Apple continues to innovate with its iPad Air models, now available with the M2 chip in both 11-inch and newly introduced 13-inch configurations. These updates address the diverse needs of Apple's broad user base, ensuring that both educational and professional customers have access to powerful, efficient technology that can support a wide range of applications. As Apple pushes forward with these significant enhancements, it remains focused on the challenges of integrating AI in a manner that respects user privacy and security, particularly important in an era where data sensitivity is paramount. The company's approach to processing substantial amounts of data on-device, rather than relying on cloud-based services, underscores its commitment to privacy and sets a new standard in the tech industry for handling sensitive information responsibly. With these developments, Apple not only reaffirms its leadership in the tech industry, but also sets the stage for future innovations that may further integrate AI into everyday technology, making sophisticated tasks more accessible to a wider audience. Apple's strategic deployment of the M4 chip within the iPad Pro, as opposed to its traditional Mac lineup, marks a significant pivot in its product placement strategy, aimed at capturing the attention of app developers prior to its major software developer conference. This move underscores Apple's commitment to maintaining a competitive edge in the tech industry by integrating advanced AI capabilities into its devices. The M4 chip offers remarkable enhancements in power efficiency and a robust neural engine designed to handle complex AI tasks more effectively. This is particularly important as Apple seeks to empower developers with tools that can leverage AI for creative and innovative applications. Additionally, the upgrade to the iPad Air models with the M2 chip highlights Apple's broader strategy to standardize high-performance chips across its device ecosystem, catering to both professional and educational markets. The introduction of larger display options in the iPad Air models not only meets the growing demand for versatile and powerful tablets, but also aligns with Apple's objectives to offer top-tier technology that supports a wide range of user activities, from casual browsing to intensive professional tasks. By focusing on powerful, efficient technology that respects user privacy and enhances user experience, Apple continues to set new standards in the industry, positioning itself as a leader in the integration of AI technology into personal computing devices. Continuing our exploration of Apple's innovative approach with the M4 chip, this segment delves deeper into the strategic importance of embedding such advanced technology in the iPad Pro. Apple's decision to place the M4 chip in its highest-tier tablet rather than the Mac lineup is a calculated move to enhance its ecosystem's capabilities, particularly in terms of AI and machine learning. The enhanced neural engine in the M4 chip enables more complex and efficient AI operations, which are key to supporting developers in creating apps that are more intelligent and responsive. This initiative not only highlights Apple's commitment to innovation, but also aims to attract a broader range of developers by providing them with powerful tools ahead of Apple's Software Developer Conference. Additionally, the integration of the M4 chip into the iPad Pro exemplifies Apple's focus on maximizing device performance and user experience, ensuring that both casual users and professionals can benefit from the latest technological advancements. With this strategic move, Apple continues to push the boundaries of what its devices can achieve, setting new standards for personal computing in the mobile landscape. Apple's strategic decision to integrate the new M4 chip into the iPad Pro rather than its Mac lineup is a bold move that underscores the company's commitment to redefining the landscape of mobile computing and AI technology. This choice is particularly significant as it prepares developers for upcoming advancements at Apple's Software Developer Conference, equipping them with powerful, state-of-the-art technology that enhances AI capabilities and overall device performance. The M4 chip is not just an upgrade in efficiency and processing power. It is a cornerstone of Apple's future strategy in AI, with a substantial increase in the size of the neural engine. This upgrade is crucial for supporting more advanced machine learning applications, which can process large amounts of data locally on the device, thus enhancing privacy and security, a growing concern among users worldwide. Moreover, the introduction of the M4 chip in the iPad Pro is part of a broader trend within Apple to blur the lines between desktop and mobile computing, providing users with unmatched power and versatility in a portable format. This strategy not only responds to the increasing demand for powerful mobile devices, but also sets a new standard for what tablets can do, pushing competitors to follow suit. In addition to technical upgrades, Apple's focus with the iPad Pro and iPad Air updates is to meet the diverse needs of its customer base, from professionals who require robust tools for creative and technical work, to educational institutions that value reliability and performance in teaching and learning environments. By continuously innovating and pushing the boundaries of its technology, Apple not only leads, but also shapes market expectations, defining the future of personal computing with each new release. As we look to the future, the implications of Apple's M4 chip and its integration into the iPad lineup are vast. Potential future applications could include more immersive augmented reality experiences, enhanced real-time language translation capabilities, and deeper integration of AI in everyday applications, making complex tasks simpler and more intuitive for users across the globe. In this segment, we explore the advanced features of Apple's M4 chip that has been strategically placed into the iPad Pro, diverging from its usual deployment in the Mac lineup. This decision reflects Apple's focus on enhancing mobile computing with robust AI capabilities, tailored to meet the high demands of professional and creative users. The M4 chip's substantial improvements in AI task handling due to its larger neural engine enable applications to perform more complex operations with greater efficiency. This is crucial for developers who need powerful tools to create cutting-edge applications that can operate with enhanced security and privacy standards. Apple's approach ensures that all processing is done on-device, safeguarding user data. Furthermore, this strategy aligns with Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology, making the iPad Pro a frontrunner in mobile computing innovation. By continuously advancing its technology, Apple sets new industry standards, thereby shaping the future of how technology integrates into our daily lives and enhances our digital interactions.